Depose. To remove from office or power. Example: the king was deposed and replaced by his son. Pelt. To throw something at someone with force. Example: the children pelting each other with snowballs had so much fun. Douse. To pour liquid over something, usually to extinguish a fire. Example: he doused the flames with water. Vague. Unclear or not definite. Example: her explanation was so vague that nobody understood. Esteem. Respect and admiration. Example: he is held in high esteem by his colleagues. Carnage. The killing of a large number of people or animals. Example: the battle left a scene of carnage. Fortify. To make something stronger or more secure. Example: they fortify the city walls to protect against invaders. Illicit. Forbidden by law or custom, illegal. Example: the illicit trade of goods was stopped by the authorities. Exhaust. To use up all of something, making it completely finished. Example: the long hike exhausted me completely. Recognized. To identify something or someone you've seen before. Example: she recognized him from their school days. Congested. Overcrowded or blocked. Example: the streets were congested with traffic during rush hour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.